This video is about the distributive property. Suppose you have this question, A times, in parentheses, B plus C. Here's what you do. You're going to do A times B, AC, and you get the final answer, which is AB plus AC. And that's the whole thing. Now, let's say you instead have a problem like this. A times B plus C plus D. Again, we're going to do basically the same thing. A times each of these like this. So you're going to get AB plus AC plus AD. And that's the whole thing. Now, let's say you have something like this. A plus B times C plus D. Here's what we'll do. We're going to do A times C and A times D. So I take this first term A and I multiply it by C and I also multiply it by D. Note, I do not multiply it by B, just by the things in the other set of parentheses. Everything in the other set of parentheses. Same with B. I'm going to do B times C and B times D. And so I get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And that's all there is to that one. That problem's finished. Suppose we instead have, well, we'll do one more of these. Suppose we have A plus B times C plus D plus E. Again, I'm going to do this, A times each of these, and then I'm going to do B times each of these. A gets multiplied by each thing in the other set of parentheses, B also gets multiplied by each thing in the other set of parentheses. So the answer becomes AC plus AD plus AE, now we'll do all the B's, plus BC plus BD plus BE. And again, that's the entire problem. There are no other steps left to this problem. Now let's do one more. We're going to have one that has mixed letters and numbers. Let's say I have A plus 2 times A plus 3. Same basic idea. I'm going to multiply each thing by all the things in the other set of parentheses. So I first do A times A. A times A is A squared. Then I do A times 3, which gets me a plus 3A. Then I'm going to do 2 times A, which is 2A. And then I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. But this is not finished. Why? Because we have two like terms. We're going to add them. We're going to get A squared plus 5A plus 6. Now, if this is your first time looking at this distribution video, don't worry. You're going to see many problems like this, and you'll probably see this video a few more times as well. Distribution is one of the most important skills in all of pre-algebra and all of algebra. You're going to use it all the time, so you're going to see a million problems like this. Do your best to remember it now, and if you don't remember it, don't worry. We'll just have you do the video and whatever worksheets again.